Well, yeah, I've got a problem with the fridge hinge clamp mechanism here. The little freezer compartment isn't closing properly, and yeah, it looks like the top bearing bracket is broken. So I'm in my shed now, and I'm just offering up a bit of aluminium, and we'll just mark it with a sketchy pen. Here we go, and yeah, well, there's the finished article. It's a bit messy, and yeah, just put it on a wooden bench there. That's a automatic punch. There's a lot of strength there. Just need to drill the hole. Yeah, good. Yep, that's the one there. Blow that out the way there. Yep. It's still a bit messy, but come back to that later. Right, now mixing up some epoxy resin, solution B and solution A. Mix them together with a suitable, well, the screwdriver will do. I'll clean that later. Just round a bit more. Mix it in nicely and daub it in the area of the broken hinge. Just splash a bit on there, and I'll put the aluminium replacement bearing hinge in place. They'll just hold it. Needs to hold it in for a good couple of 3 hours. So let's use the the 3D printed clamp. Yeah, just leave it there a couple of 3 hours. Come back later. Yeah, I'll clean it up later. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, sorted. Okay, a couple of 3 hours later, and rock solid. Look at that. Like the action. Yeah, I'll clean that up later. Yeah, looks good. Let's try it out on the fridge. I'll take a piece of paper out. I just bodged it in there to hold the door closed. Right. Yeah, offer it up. Offer it. Put the bottom one in first. Bottom. Yeah, push and click. Push and click. There we go. And close the door. Now let's test it. Test it. That's superb.